Oh, that's right. That's a good one.
Information, can you send it to me, but electronically? And then if you...
My mother calls me 3:43 to tell me her house is on fire, and I'm in shock, and I'm telling her to run, get out, just get out of the house, and I'm telling her to go to the front, go to the back. She said I can't get out. There's fire everywhere, fire outside, fire. I can't get out of my house, and I hear the smoke alarms going off, and she's coughing, and I'm telling her I love her, and she tells me she's gonna die. She can't get out of her house. She's gonna die. And then the phone call drops, and I can't get her back on the phone.
So I have a live shot at 5 past.
We called 911. I don't know if they went in. They said they were on the next street over. They were going to try to get to her.